I'm lost for words. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely, fantastic day. Today, the box that we are going to be talking about is the Allure beauty box for the month of November. The Allure beauty box is a $15 monthly beauty box that comes with sample size products in here. I think it's like 5 or 6 samples that are beauty and makeup related. In my experience, most of them are typically like beauty and skincare and hair care related, not super heavy on like the makeup stuff. My glasses are so dirty, I can't even see. Now is the time that you would typically see me reach for my box cutter so I can open up the box here, but you guys, the box cutter finally got me. I was using it last night for probably non-box cutting needs. I don't even know what I was doing with it, but I ended up cutting many little slices in my thumb and on my finger. So I'm just taking a quick little break from the box cutters because I feel like every single time I picked that thing up last night I was slicing my thumb open. So instead I'm opting for choppy blades today. Alright, so every month the Allure beauty box comes in this very thick red cardboard box. And it also comes with a little magazine on the front here. She looks super duper excited to be on the front of the Allure Beauty Box magazine. And then on the inside of the magazine, it tells us about the products inside of the box. So I'm gonna set this aside so no surprises are ruined. And here we have our little product. So this is the regular Allure Beauty Box, isn't it? Okay, so the very first thing I am seeing here is a rose lip mask, and this is from Coco Star. I do like the packaging on this. I like the matte black and the little red rose here, and it's supposed to give you kissable and adorable lips. So I think you guys are gonna start to notice a theme very quickly as I pull out all the stuff from the box. So next up here we have a mask, and this is a pearl brightening mask. Again, really nice cute packaging, nice and like iridescent pearly pink. So the pearl mask is from a brand called Lapkos maybe, and this is supposed to be the daily skin mask that is supposed to brighten your skin. All right, so it says key ingredients: pearl extract. I've heard of a lot of different types of extract. There's many out there, but I didn't know you could extract anything from a pearl. Yep, listed in the ingredients in here, there is pearl extract, which in quotations it says 1000 ppm. I don't know what that means. 1000 ppm. Okay, so I tried to look up what 1000 ppm is, and it got real mathy and real sciencey real quick, so we're just gonna skip over it. But apparently ppm equals parts per million, and it is a very low dose. Oh, for a second I was like pizza, but it's actually watermelon. That makes much more sense for a sheet mask. So this is another mask, if we're sensing the theme here. This is from Glow Recipe, and this is a watermelon glow jelly sheet mask for hydrating and soothing for all skin types. I do really like the packaging of this as well. It's really cute that it is in like a watermelon shape. It has like the nice plastic backing. This one you're supposed to use for cooling and hydrating skin treatment twice a week, but I do believe there is only one little mask in here, so you can use it one time. But definitely cute on the packaging front. Now let's go ahead and grab what is next, which is something like a mask but smaller. So these are gel patches for underneath your eyes. These are Flash Patch from Patchology. So apparently you're supposed to leave these on the under eye area for 5 minutes and discard after use and massage the serum into your skin. It just says use anytime for a perk me up. Alrighty, next up in here we have these things. They are little hair bands. And the reason I'm saying this with such like is because I know I can't use these things. My hair is so thin. I've tried these before. They are little Invisibobbles and the hair bands that look like the cords on telephones used to. That's back when phones were fun. You could sit there and just like pull on the cord or like walk around the house with your 15-foot long cord extension. Okay, sure. I mean, you can still walk around the house with your phone, but there's probably not a long skinny slinky attached to it. I don't know, I just feel like these are probably going to be way too they definitely hold my hair, but I think it's just way too intense of a little thing to hold my very thin hair. It also tends to get kind of wrapped around them. Like I said, I have tried these out before and they just did not work out for me. I think if you had like some really thick, beautiful, curly hair and you could just kind of put this around like one time on it to hold it all back, they would be great, but for me, it just doesn't, they don't really work out for me. Alrighty, next up in here, we have something from Glam Glow. Okay, so this is a Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Ooh, that is a Oh my gosh, that's a strong scent. Why does that smell like minty black licorice? But apparently you can use this as a face mask, or you can also use it as a spot treatment, and right now I could definitely use either one of those. Spot treatment especially. I have a little friend down here that I keep putting concealer on and it somehow keeps like tunneling its way out, so maybe I can go ahead and give this a go. And then finally, the very last thing in here is from Starskin, and this is a Magic Hour exfoliating foot mask. I have heard and seen that these like absolutely work miracles. I think I heard of like the baby foot or something like that mask where you slide on this little sock and you like let your foot soak in there, and then like 7 to 10 days later your foot looks like a horror show. I definitely think this is something that would be good to like prepare for summer when you're wearing like flip-flops and that kind of stuff, so maybe I'll hold on to this until like it's about to become summertime so I can like prepare my wintertime boot-wearing feet for flip-flops. Alright you guys, so that was everything I received in this Allure beauty box, and this is the strangest Allure beauty box I've ever received. Like, it's not a mask subscription. It's nice to receive, you know, a lot of masks if you're into that kind of thing. I think it's kind of odd. I don't know why. It's different, not what I'm used to getting from Allure. However, when we started this video, I did say that Allure tends to be very skincare oriented and hair care oriented, and that's exactly what we got in this box. But let's go ahead and check on into this little thingy here so we can get some full-size pricing for the masks. Alright, so starting off here, we have the pearl masks, which is $14 for 5 of them. So since I literally can't do math, let me go ahead and get out my calculator. Alright, so that's $2.80 for the pearl mask. Then we have the one mask is $8? Yeesh, okay. So the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask is $8, and they recommend you do it twice a week. So that's $16 a week times 52 a year, which is $832 on watermelon masks. Anywho, next up here we have the Rose lip masks, so it's $38 for 20 of them, so you can buy them in bulk. So that is $1.90 per mask. Then we have the Glam Glow Mud, and the full size of it is $59, so I'm not really sure how much our little sample here would be, but that is for the full size. Then we have the Patchology under eye patches, and you get five of those for $15. So that means that they are $3 a piece. Then the whole like foot exfoliating skin thing is $15. And finally, the Invisibobble is $7.95. So I can maybe actually do some math to see what the total value of our actual box is. Okay, so for just like the masks and the Invisibobble stuff, I got $40.65. I don't know exactly how much the Glam Glow Super Mud cleansing stuff is. I'm just gonna be super generous and just pop on $5 just because. So apparently I have no idea how expensive Glam Glow stuff is, but at the end of this video I do figure it out. So that brings the total to, I'm guessing, $45.65, which is kind of low. I feel like we've had better overall values, even though I really haven't like added them up in Allure beauty boxes before, because we typically get some like really expensive skincare kind of things, and this box was just weird to me. I don't know. Some of you guys probably really love this box because you really enjoy masks, but like I said, I have my like poor little mask just like I hate to call it a graveyard because I do want to use all of these masks one day, and I think I just need to get on it and just start using like one a day. I'm just gonna do it, just one a day, so these don't go to waste. But again, I just don't know. I would really love to know all of your all's thoughts and opinions about this Allure beauty box. It was just a little bit different for me, but I would love to know what you guys thought about it. Anywho, that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Oh my gosh, you guys, I was just on my subscription addiction just looking at this box to make sure like I got the right thing, and apparently the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask is 0.5 ounces, which retails for $25. I think that's nutty. I think that's absolutely insane. There is no way this amount of product should be worth $25. So let's go ahead and just slap on another 20 to my original estimate. So the value of the box is actually $65. I'm lost for words.